toxic plant, and how a butterfly evolved to overcome and embrace this toxicity. As monarchs transition to adulthood at the end of the summer, their dependency on milkweed ceases, and they begin their southward journey. We will follow their migration, which eventually leads them to a remote overwintering site, hidden in the high mountains of central Mexico. Along the way, we will detour into the heart-stopping chemistry of milkweeds, the community of other insects that feed on milkweed, and the conservation efforts to protect monarchs and the environments they traverse. To be sure, this story is about much more than monarchs and milkweeds. These creatures serve as royal representatives of all interacting species, revealing some of the most important issues in biology. As we will see, they have helped to advance our knowledge of seemingly far-flung topics, from navigation by the sun to cancer therapies. We will also meet the scientists, including myself, who study the mysteries of long-distance migration, toxic chemicals, the inner workings of animal guts, and, of course, coevolutionary arms races. We will witness the thrill of collaboration and competition among scientists seeking to understand these beautiful organisms and to conserve the species and the ecosystems they inhabit. From simple beginnings. From a single common ancestor, milkweeds diversified in North America to more than 100 species. And the monarch lineage is no slouch, with hundreds of relatives we call milkweed butterflies throughout the world. Although monarchs are perhaps best known in the northeastern and midwestern United States, they occur throughout North America, and self-sustaining populations have been introduced to Hawaii, Spain, Australia, New Zealand, and elsewhere. Figure 1.3. Interactions between butterflies and milkweeds now occur throughout the world, but this account focuses primarily on what happens in North America. The reason is quite simple. Eastern North America is where the monarch, Danaus plexippus, considered by most to be the pinnacle of milkweed butterflies, co-evolved with milkweeds. The monarch's annual cycle in eastern North America involves at least 4 butterfly generations, with individuals crossing international borders several times. In spring, butterflies migrate from Mexico to the southern United States. Flight is fueled by nectaring on flowers and is punctuated by laying eggs on milkweeds. To grow and sustain each generation, milkweed is the only food needed. 3 cycles, from egg to caterpillar to chrysalis to butterfly, occur as monarchs populate the northern United States and southern Canada each summer. And while nearly all mating, egg-laying, and milkweed eating occurs in the United States and Canada, each autumn monarchs travel to Mexico. At the end of summer, southward migrating monarchs fly thousands of kilometers and then rest for some 4 months before returning to the Gulf Coast states in the following spring. How and why they do it is a story that continues to unravel, and it no doubt will keep scientists busy for centuries. The energy that builds a monarch butterfly's body ultimately comes from plants, as it does for all animals. For most butterflies and moths, collectively the Lepidoptera, the caterpillar stage is essentially a leaf-eating machine. Perhaps it is not surprising, then, that caterpillar feeding has led to the evolution of armament, or defenses, in plants. The leaves of nearly all plant species are not only unappetizing to most would-be consumers, they are downright toxic. Milkweed's toxicity has long been known, and foraging on milkweed has surely killed countless sheep and horses. Most other animals avoid this milky, sticky, bitter weed, and yet monarchs came to specialize on it. While the toxic principles of milkweed keep most consumers at bay, monarchs and a few other insects have craftily adapted to the plant. Humans have used the chemical tonic of milkweeds as medicine for centuries, and so too have monarchs exploited their